So this is how you're supposed to file your crypto gain and loss in 2026, because TurboTax updated their website or some shit, and you can't use the CSV anymore. You were supposed to, last year you had the TurboTax export gain loss. They give you a CSV file and you just upload that with hundreds of transactions and you're good. But this year, like, it doesn't work like that. So I just did mine yesterday. So I thought I should make a video and show some people how to do this year, the latest way to do it. So what you gotta do for example, I'm using Koinly here. It doesn't really matter. But in Koinly this time you have to go to complete tax report. You download that, they're gonna send you an email, you get the link there, and you're basically going to have a file like this, a tax report 2025. Yeah, we have this example here, and you scroll down to the capital gain summary, and what you're interested in are these three things here. So it's the number of disposals, that's like the number of transactions, or like the number of crypto coins that you've been selling and buying, the proceeds, and the acquisition costs. So that's what you're interested in. So let me show you what you do with this in TurboTax. So you come to Federal, Wages and Income, and you will have this investment and savings. If you don't have this here, you can like add more income in case it's not already here from the questions that you answered. So let's see. You go here, do you have any investment? You say yes. Crypto, I can say yes. Between exchanges, whatever. Did you buy or sell? No. You receive a reward. And it's here if you had any mining, staking, airdrops, whatever. I didn't participate in that. No, it's not for me. So here you will have this thing. So you basically go enter different way, and this is the thing. This year you have this upload or import, but you see, like, let's see, just for sake of example, you can't upload the CSV here anymore. See, you have a PDF, you have a JPEG, whatever, you just can't. So it doesn't work like it used to in 2024. So you just go to type it myself, choose the 1099 DA, continue, whatever, digital. So here you can type whatever your crypto tax app you're using. For example, I'm using Koinly, so they have this here. If they don't, just type yours and click next. Here, did you get the 99 DA form? No. And here you just keep it as a regular asset, depending on what it was. If it's stable coin, it's usually regular, and that one can include stable coin too. How did you receive whatever purchased, earning, you select. So here what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to put like a Koinly tax report, and like this. And you put your number of whatever number of disposals. So let's say for me it's 646 in this case. What do you call it? 646 transactions. Here you put the 646, the date this investment was acquired. You put something other than date and put various with more than one date because you have multiple transactions. And date sold, you just put the last day of 2025. So 12, 13, 2025. So that's like the last day of the year, let's say, even though that doesn't mean that's when you sold all of them. Okay. So here we have to go back to the proceeds. So let's say we had this number in my case. Now we had this number. And then acquisition costs, we had this other number here. That's the cost basis for you. That's about it. You just, from here you just click continue, and they ask you the situations here. So this for in my case none of these apply. For most of the people none of these gonna apply. And did you acquire for more than a year? For me, it's not the case. So all these transactions are in 2025. That's what this means. So they weren't acquired before 2025, all these transactions. And so yeah, so we have, as you can see, these matches with the net gains, which in this case example is minus 8,500 something. So for this case, for example, for me it's a capital loss on in crypto. So I will be allowed for the next years, including this one, to deduct $3,000 in tax. So with this, you can click continue, and you can see you will have the capital losses used in 2025. So here, so basically you added this from Koinly loss gain. You have a total amount of loss, and you will be able to apply loss carryover moving forward 2026, for example, depending how many of 3,000 you have. So in this one is like 1 2, at least for the next year I will be able to deduct another 3,000 because it's going to carry over, and so on. So that's it. That's pretty much it. It's quite complicated to do. They probably change this so that you can they force you to pay somebody that's expert at this and figure it out. But anyway, this is not a professional tax advice. This I'm just showing you how I did it in my case, and use it at your own risk or will or whatever. So see ya.